OASIS Auto car seat covers. Transform your ride with premium waterproof faux leather. Ever spilled coffee on your car seats or cringed at the sight of faded, cracked leather? The OASIS Auto car seat covers are here to rescue your ride. Made from premium waterproof faux leather, these universal fit covers protect your seats from spills, stains, and everyday wear while giving your car a fresh, stylish upgrade. Whether you drive an SUV, truck, or sedan, these seat covers offer the perfect blend of durability and elegance. Why stress over ruined seats when you can have protection and style in one simple solution? What makes OASIS Auto the hero of car interiors? It's all about quality and versatility. These seat covers are designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, including those with bucket seats. The easy installation process, complete with a step-by-step video guide, ensures a perfect fit every time. Compared to other seat covers, OASIS Auto offers superior durability and style, making it the ultimate choice for car enthusiasts. Durability meets elegance in this powerhouse product. The waterproof faux leather material is built to withstand spills, stains, and everyday wear and tear. The universal fit ensures compatibility with most vehicles, while the 30-day money-back guarantee offers peace of mind. Whether you're driving in rain or shine, these seat covers are designed to last. Why invest in OASIS Auto car seat covers? Because your car deserves the best. These covers save you from costly seat repairs and replacements, offering long-lasting protection at an affordable price. The easy installation and wide range of styles make it a hassle-free upgrade for any vehicle. Why settle for less when you can have luxury and durability? The OASIS Auto car seat covers aren't just a purchase, they're a promise to your car. With their premium materials, easy installation, and stylish designs, they're the ultimate gift for any car owner. From the first drive to the last, these seat covers ensure your car stays fresh and protected. Ready to transform your ride? OASIS Auto is waiting. Your car's glow-up starts now.